Practice problem number 5 is a real-world word problem. It tells us Amy and Simon each bought a pair of shorts and some t-shirts. Each pair of shorts costs the same amount, and each t-shirt costs the same amount. So we know that shorts, I'm going to use the letter S for shorts, stay at a constant amount every short, no matter how many buy, same rate. Same thing for T. So we have variables to represent t-shirts with T and shorts with S. We're given 2 facts. First, that Amy paid $60 for 1 pair of shorts and 2 t-shirts, and then also that Simon paid $75 for 1 pair of shorts and 3 t-shirts. They ask us what was the cost in dollars of 1 pair of shorts. So this is really, we could write 2 equations if that helps us make sense of this. Some of you may have ways to understand this without writing a linear system and find how much the shorts cost. That's great. We're going to show you how to write 2 equations to represent a linear system here. If Amy paid $60, that was her cost. I'm going to use $60 is equal to her cost for 1S, 1 pair of shorts, plus 2 t-shirts. So 2 t-shirts plus 1 pair of shorts equals $60. And then Simon's fact, $75, was the cost for 1 pair of shorts and 3 t-shirts. At this point, so we're going to start thinking about this on the whiteboard. There's 2 ways, I think, to understand this. One is almost to solve this linear system by inspection. I understand there is 1 more t-shirt here. That's the only difference. The cost was $15 more. Right away, that might tell me t-shirts must be $15. And once I know t-shirts, I can then find the cost of shorts. Others might think about using algebra to solve this linear system. If I see the S is the same in both equations, I would use elimination. Could be a method. That's what we'll show you here. Elimination might be another method if you could use that instead of inspection. Where if I subtract this entire bottom equation from the top one, 1S minus 1S is going to cancel itself out. 60 minus 75 would give us negative 15. And 2t minus 3t on the other side of the equation would give us negative t. And if negative t equals negative 15, we could multiply or divide by negative 1, get the inverse to realize t must be a positive 15. Once I know t-shirts are $15, remember they want to know ultimately the cost of shorts. So at that point, I would go back to this original equation. 60 equals 1S plus 2t, and if the t-shirts are $15 each, if each t-shirt cost me $15, then I know that $60 came from S plus 2 times 15. At this point, we should realize that S is going to have a value of 30. We should be able to solve by inspection, but if we can't, we could use an inverse operation, subtract 30 on both sides. The shorts are going to be $30. The t-shirt's going to be $15. Remember to focus on your question. They really wanted to know the cost for 1 pair of shorts, so they're looking for the $30 answer that we came up with at the end.